Today I will talk about Boeing 737 MAX crisis. The core problem was that Boeing prioritized short-term profit and market competition over safety and transparency. This led to serious design flaws, especially in the MCAS system, which relied on a single sensor and lacked safety redundancy. Pilot training was also insufficient. Many pilots only received a brief iPad session without proper simulator training. When two tragic crashes happened, Lion Air Flight 610 in 2018 and Ethiopian Airlines Flight 302 in 2019. Boeing's crisis management was poor. The company defended the plan's safety instead of taking responsibilities quickly. The consequences were severe. The 737 MAX was grounded worldwide. Boeing faced over 20 billion in losses. Production was halted. Jobs were cut, and the company's reputation for safety and energy excellence was permanently damaged. In short, this crisis shows what can happen when financial goals are put before energy and safety standards. It is a serious lesson in corporate responsibility and the importance of safety in the aviation industry.
Today, I will talk about our problem analysis using Skin's organizational culture theory. This theory has three levels: what we can see, what the company says it values, and the deeper beliefs people hold. At Boeing, the what we can see part included bonus linked to production, not safety. Pilot training was cut down to short iPad sessions, no simulators. Decisions were very centralized, and safety advice from engineers was often ignored. And the next part is for values. Boeing focused more on speed and cutting costs than a managed risk. They cared more about public image than being fully open inside the company. On a deeper level, they believed FAA approval was enough to gain global trust. This put short-term market share and stock prices above long-term safety, and used marketing to hide risk. This culture put finance and competition ahead of safety. It led to the MCAS flaw, training gaps, and weak crisis management. Research shows safety culture is key in aviation.
Today, the register is single senior can visit the system. We will use two engine of attract the seniors and cross-check them. If they disagree, the system will stop and let the point take control. We will make overload simple and fast, a short, clear procedure. Let's stop MCAS at once. This cuts the chance of repeat knockdown comment and gives the crew time to act. We will make the full mission similarity modality and key scenario is simple and real. One senior MCAS activate aircraft knockdown more than once. Crew follows the step to stop it and stabilize the plane. Crew will practice many times. They will build muscle memorize, share text, and speak clear under pressure. We will write it all down in FCOMQRH. When MCS works, what signs you see, how to shut it off, and how to recover. We will send building to airlines and run briefing for point and the trainer, so everyone has the same message. We will set up a cross-functional safety board. Engineering training, qualification, and communication will meet often. Problem will be raised fast. Change to design, code, and the message will move together. We will use the memory, idea, and short dashboard to track action and issue. Flag the control, design test, and validate. Training of operation standards, similarities, codes checked, and requalification. Safety qualification work with regulator and approved and returned to service. Airline and the point group apply to training and the new pursuit give feedback. Per project leading playing book resource ring rest review and report state. Month 0 to 1 issue or operate breaking finish month update. Stay up and safety board book similarity sort. Months 1 to 3. Finish the similarities course, start global requalification, collect the feedback and refinement. Month 3 to 6, complete design validation, start perfect report begin, memory edu and publish result after 6 months. Move to standing still the regular edu, refreshes training and update when date shows a gap.
After those problems, Boeing must choose to fundamentally improve their collaborative culture and internet communication system to ensure that safety becomes an important part of the company decision-making process. And how to achieve this? It requires the company should start from the concept of production first to one that take care about related to ensure safety. Regarding the performance assessment of employee, it should be outside of production. That is build safety performance indicator. It ensures that employee will know choice and safe production under the pressure of performance, which could lead to safety issues. At the same time, they can also build a sense of common security within the organization. Sadly, regarding the right of employee, a nebulous reporting mechanism should be built. During the operation of the company, some employee may discover operation issues but choose not to report them because they fear of the retaliation from their high up, which led to problem. This issue that employee can reporting safety problem without the fear of retaliation. This helps the companies can raise easier and behave the transparent from this operation. The third is to build a cross-level communication system within the company. Piloting the company effort of the latter and employees to discover issues such as safety. Regarding safety discussion have promoted the transparent for company decision making. And it can also make employees have the better understand of the company's policies and build a collaborative culture that divides of the verse of the employees. Boeing not take care of the safety, and it also makes this company have the hedged lost in future business choice. And by achieve great importance of safety, it can behave employer trust, and it will make their employee and take care about their companies and make more wise values to their companies and achieve great benefits.